Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Only Bio, presenting up the important points from the chapter circulation. Chapter circulation is such an important chapter for CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE as well as for 11, 12 and for different competitive exams. So in this series, I'm presenting up the important points from 181 to 200. Friends, we are likely to reach 500 points in this particular chapter. So do keep a check on the playlist for the other points as well as the MCQs so that you get much more practice on this chapter. Point number 181. The heart of molluscs and vertebrates is myogenic. Next, the essay node was described by Keith and Flack. Next, node is part of the conducting system of heart and is made up of poorly differentiated muscle fibers which are scattered in both auricles. A great number of nerve cells, nerve fibers and their endings which form a ganglionic network also occur around the node. Next, Purkinje fibers penetrate into myocardium. Next, ventricular contraction begins at the apex of the heart and passes towards the origin of great arteries. Next, the SA node is regulated by the cardiac center present in the medulla oblongata of the brain. Next, AVN is stimulated by cardiac impulses originated in the SA node. Friends, SA sinoatrial node and AVN is nothing but auriculoventricular node. Next, in neurogenic heart, the heartbeat is initiated by a ganglion situated near the heart and the impulse of contraction originates from the nervous system. Next, the lymphatic system is a system of vessels that collects excess tissue fluid from between the cells of the body and carries it to the cardiovascular system. Next, the ratio of RBCs to plasma is expressed as the haematocrit value, which can be estimated by an instrument called as haematocrit. Point number 191, NPN refers to the non-protein nitrogenous substances present in the plasma of man, which includes urea, uric acid, xanthin, hypoxanthin and ammonia. Next, the yellow color of the plasma is due to small amounts of bilirubin, keratin and xanthophyll. Next, serum albumin is a major component of plasma proteins soluble in distilled water which becomes jelly when heated. Next, albumin molecule is made up of a single polypeptide chain containing 575 amino acids synthesized in the liver. Next, a healthy liver is able to synthesize about 10 to 15 grams of albumin per day. Point number 196, prothrombin is beta globulin. Next, fibrinogen is synthesized in the liver around 4 to 5 grams per day. Next, serum is blood without corpuscles and fibrinogen. Next, the beta chain of hemoglobin in man and rhesus monkey are 40% similar. Next, carotid artery carries oxygenated blood to the brain. Friends, thank you so much for being with me and do comment or suggest if you want to. Thank you.